bridge shelter, and Kitty Sam is still sleeping in his tent, but I packed my stuff up, and it was pouring rain last night, so very lucky to be sleeping in this trail area, even if it is off the Ignis Creek Trail PCT closed, crossing back over High Bridge. Much more comfortable when it's not dark and pouring rain. Getting dark. And the ranger station is just up here at the High Bridge Trailhead. So you are here, and I'm going to go. This is all uphill, by the way, to the highway. It's seriously all uphill today. It's uphill for like 20 miles from the ranger station, but if it's this gradual stuff, I'm okay with. Lake North Cascades National Park. Really beautiful colors. Love it. So in this park, you need permits to camp everywhere. So this was the second choice after High Bridge. So the folks that went here, they had to hike in the pouring rain and get here well after dark and set up. So I'm glad I stayed back at High Bridge. Plus, they had that really nice shelter. Even though looks like they have like a building with an overhang, and I don't know what this weird tent thing is. Bridge coming up. I'm on a bridge. I'm on a bridge doing the bridge dance. Bridge is pretty cool. Two options, footbridge or ford. Well, the footbridge is up some crappy rocks. I see it up there. Let's see if I can just get through on the rocks. Woo. Oh yeah, I should be able to cross this no problem without the bridge. Oh man, I should have taken the bridge. The rock was loose, and look at this. One dry foot, one soaking wet foot. Woo! But at least it's sunny, so hopefully it'll dry. I'm still on my up and up. It's mainly been all trees, but once in a while I do get a view of something. Everybody is working so hard. Oh, well, that would explain it. Trail maintenance is hard work. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Lots of trail crew out today. Thank you so much.
Depends on how many times you get a chainsaw thing.
Yeah. Wow.
So until the new bridge is constructed, you got to cross on this log. Log has been shaped flat, so it should be okay. But I'm still going to be careful because it's been raining a lot and it might be slippery, and I don't want to go into the creek.
3 cheers, hooray, for the volunteer work party. Working hard out here in Washington. Another great log bridge. This one's on a bit of an angle though. I do not like this tilty log at all. Blech. And a third log bridge for me to cross. There's a little mini monument for Canada here because this is where the fire closure was for those noble hikers who were earlier on in the season than me, but all this rain has made the fire closure only 3 miles longer, and I can...
This dry spell all the way into October. By the way, what's your trail name?
Jam. I'm Squeeze. Jam.
Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of carbonations. While I appreciate the offer.
So at Rainy Pass, the other side of the trail ahead with Trail Angel Ed, and he has gifted me this Melvin IPA. Let's try it out. Where's it from?
Bellingham, Washington.
Bellingham, okay.
Melvin.
Okay, so this beer is 7.5% alcohol, but it doesn't taste it. It's actually a very smooth IPA, not so bitter and pretty easy drinking. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this Melvin IPA.
We're having a wonderful time with Randy.
It's a pleasure to.
You're filming. Wait.
October 1st, that's what he said.
Lots of hikers in the back.
This is RAVENSONG'S retreat and the hiker huts. So there is a loft up here. I know it's hard to see, guys. Wow. Interesting.
So if
shower
you
here.
if you need to go potty, please use the porta potty because it's safe.
There's also a nice kitchen area. Oh boy, hot tub.
So,
Limit 3 hours, maximum 6 people, no lifeguard. Here we are, the hot tub. I'm in Winthrop now, going into the grocery store, and everything here is old-timey like the old west. Picking up a few extra things at the grocery store, big bars, Gatorade, shower beer, yogurt for the morning, chocolate, Mike and Ike's, and banana times.
Okay, so I just rolled into the hostel, seen some familiar faces here, Danielson and Butcher and Captain America, and I can't even check in, but I'm like, I don't care, I'm showering, and I'm bringing in the shower beer, because I haven't showered in 7 days, and oh my god, I need this. Ooh, that hot water, and the cool beer. This is live.
Just retired from SF after 20 years, and I talked to this guy, and he recommends me a shitload of books.
Winthrop, last brewery on the PCT before Canada, Old Schoolhouse Brewery. We're all about the beer.
I'm in the Old Schoolhouse Brewery, and look at all these beers. There's 8 here for this tasting flight with Captain America. We're gonna see which one is the best tasting. So, all right. See you later. Enjoyed the tasting flight, but I am going with this Smoke Jumper Amber. This is around in this area. It's the first Smoke Jumper base, and I also love ambers. So of course, this pint. It's a very sweet amber, but goes down easy and very delicious. I had a feeling when I looked at the board that I was gonna love this beer, and I do. Oh, that's the video.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright. Woo!
Go, go, go.
Oh, we're doing this again?
No.
Got spanked.
Hey, the pale ale is great from this.
Hey, I didn't turn to the side. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, that was perfect. Hey, give a good kiss.
Alright, I'm in the bar in Winthrop. It's the last town stop before Canada, so live it up, have fun.